One of the hot topics that was discussed with parents in my office last week was the issue of weight bearing. How do you get a child to be able to use his legs, to stand on his feet, and to start bearing weight through the legs? They mentioned that they're trying things like gait trainers, standers, braces, equipment to accomplish this. But I wanted to show you this video clip to show just one way of how I work with children to get them to be able to start to do this on their own in a safe way. Every time I work with a child, I always try to help them do it in a mindful way that targets their brain and starts getting them to learn all the pieces they need to be able to do it themselves. So I hope you enjoyed this video clip. Please comment below if you found it helpful, and I look forward to sharing more videos like this with all of you in the future. Thanks for watching.
So here I start with him leaning over the table so he doesn't have to manage gravity. I just put a little pressure through the feet to see if he can feel how that works. And there he does a little bit. And notice once he feels that, immediately he calms down, he pays attention, he listens to what I'm doing. And right away I start bringing variation. So shifting the weight side to side, forward and back. Here I keep the legs together so you can feel how the middle of the body works in relation to that. Here I'm pushing up through the feet so you can feel that travels to the top of the head. One leg and the other leg. All these would be variations he would do if he didn't have the challenges that he has. Now here I go back to the original movement to see if he can recreate it on his own or if it's clear. And notice, that's right, he gets tall, he's able to bear weight and push on the feet. So this are just some variations that will help him get that much closer to standing on his own.